The number 8 thing to keep in mind when creating a multiple choice question is don't have overlapping distractors.
Don't use overlapping distractors. This is also a very common one among instructors, even though most of the research suggests that actually it doesn't make it any harder. So you have to be really careful not to have overlapping distractors. Check out this question right here. B and C are actually not inconsistent with each other. It lives for many years, it lives for more than 1 year. They're both consistent with each other. So there's no way for a student to discriminate between those two choices. Complete nightmare for a student. Same thing with A and D. It dies after the first year. It's consistent with it needs to be replanted each year. You want to be able to have the student discriminate against the option. When the student cannot discriminate, it's actually impossible for the student to come up with one answer. Now, most of the reasons that instructors come up with this question is because they try to be too ambitious. You can actually fix this question and make the choices mutually exclusive by trying to be a little less ambitious and go for something like only 1 year, only 2 years, or several years. This question is probably as equally hard as the first one. It's just much less confusing and much more straightforward for a student, and allow the student to discriminate because now the choices are mutually exclusive.